Well, figured that one out. Algo Bot, Gemini's terminal station is just ahead. Get me there and on... Oh, get me there and all this could... Oh my goodness, I am messing that up. Get me there and this could be all over. I am quite confident we've used up all our bad luck. Don't say that. Are you saying bro as in, bro, you actually solved that? Or bro, look at this one? This map in particular is just like, what? Okay, let's see. All right. I'm gonna take a little drink here. Hoo-wee. Okay. I think this will be the last map before ending the stream, I think, because I think this is gonna take up the rest of my time. Woo! So let's see here. So we have a U. Oh, jeez. We have a bunch of uploads and downloads. So upload, we will not download. Upload. Upload. Ooh, ooh. Oh. It needs to be done this direction. Okay, I see. So we actually go this way and come back around. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, and it looks like we use the check right around this spot right here. All right, let's see here. So first I'm gonna just check on each of these. So it looks like we have a check here and then a check here for the A and C gates. Or A and C upload downloads. So the first things first is we put D on red. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do that. Put D on red. And then gotta move forward and upload on red. Oh, wait a second. Hello? There's a pattern right there. Forward, up, forward, download, forward, upload. Right here again. Forward, upload, forward, download. Or forward, download, forward, upload. So there's a pattern there for each of these. Yep. Except for X. Oh, end on X if check fails. Yeah, that, well, actually, we could just ignore D. I think the X is for D, because that would make the most sense. So you have an A check, you have a B check, and then you have a C check, then you have an XD check. XD. Ah, Either that. Let's see. I'm gonna try this forward upload, forward download, or forward download, forward upload first, just to see if that works. So if we do that, it would be a right turn on all of them, so that can stay with it. It would be a forward, and then a left turn. And it does it for all of them. Okay. The second one. So F1. Forward. Green. Forward. Left. Huh. Oh. If check fails. X. Because with each of these, you would think the check would be if they are the same. But then it throws you for a loop with the X. I actually think it could be that each of these is a trick. If these middle ones are a trick, then that would mean this is a forward, forward, left. Forward, forward, left. Forward, forward, left. Okay. Which would mean... Okay, so F1, then an F2. Ugh. Actually, no, it does need to do a download, because then it can end here and do the check. In which case, it just starts over. Hold on. Yep, they're not equal. So then, if they're not the same... Oh. Okay, if they're not the same, do that. If they are the same... I don't know. I don't know yet. So let's try doing that. Aha! Okay. If they are the same, do F2. Let's see what happens. Okay. Hold up. I need to see what happened. I didn't actually see what happened. Okay. Oh. Oh. No, I think that'll fail. Because if it reaches the end, yep, that'll fail. Dang. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see what this does. Okay. Actually, it could just be F2 each time. Okay, because it does F1 because of that result. Okay. What if I do that? Okay. Okay, it ended with D and X. One, two, and three. I'll try that. Right, well, no need to be nervous. It's working. It's really working. Bugger. All right. I got 22, but the answer was 19. Dang. Okay, I want to try this level again. I want to try and get 19 on it. Okay, so in order to get 19, I had 22. 1, 2, 3. So these three are wrong, then. I wonder. What would happen if I did that? I don't think it'll work. I definitely do not think it will work. But Yep. Yep, yep. Okay, when it reaches here, it has X and D as the 2 spots. So X is green, D is red. It then comes here and reads A as green, to which it says they are not equal, so it is false. Okay. Okay. If this is the case, then it would end with forward. Think. Hold on. It would end here. Let's do that. No, that wouldn't work. Dun, dun, right, forward, left. Okay. So, F1 first. Something tells me I want to skip this. Actually, no. Probably don't. Okay. Okay. F1, F2. So... Okay. Okay, then it reaches F2, and it goes to the question mark, which in this case is F1. And it goes to F2, and it goes to 2, question mark, which is F1, and it goes to F2, question mark, 1. Oh. Okay, let's watch this one more time without the extra F2. Okay. So it ends here with a forward. So let's go ahead and do a left, forward, forward, forward. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Ah! Is this... And now that I have it the opposite way, it's gonna fail. Yep. Okay. It's always gonna fail. Wait, what? Hold up. Hold up. Wait, what? No, it's, right. Okay. I don't know what happened there, so. Okay, so it ends here. I took a right and 3 forward. Okay. If I change these two here, then that leaves it open for turning and stuff here. Oh. Dang it. That's right. Let's do an extra one. Okay. So this is the second F2. And it goes into the F1. And it just failed. Okay. Okay, because of the X and D. Good. Okay, so now doesn't know what to do. So now if I do X and D and I say F2, what will happen? So it will go forward, it'll take A, it'll go forward again, and it'll do the question mark, and it will always also fail, in which case it'll just go around. Dang. Okay. So somehow I need to get it to where both of them are equal. If I say keep D and skip each of the ones out here, maybe? So if it does this, if it does F1 first, then it does F2 as green. No. Then it does that. Ugh. That doesn't look right. Because if it does that, always being equal. It's equal here. Okay. Oh, okay. It is not equal. Okay. You're still alive, hey! Okay. True that, true that, true that. So I'm still trying to exactly figure out this last piece. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So an F1. Okay. Hold up. Okay, then an F1, F2. Forward. Check. Then it checks. So it fails. And then does the upload. Okay. Wait. Hold on, hold on, hold on. What if I change the check to over here, and then I do an F2 first, then F1s? 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then when it fails, I do F2, and when it gets it, it's F1. Okay. Oh, that's right. Dang it. Dang. Nope. It's gotta be that way. So... gotta be F1. So if I do an F1 here, and then it checks, it's gonna fail. That is for certain. Yep. Okay. So and it fails there because there's no comparison. Okay. Okay. Okay, so it fails. Since it fails... Oh, whoops. I forgot to set that back. Okay, so now that it fails, it sets to F1. Okay. Then it goes to F2 again. Okay. Then it's F2 again. Okay, this is the last F2. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, so we're already using 19. Are you kidding? Wait. Okay. Similarity between these is the 2 downloads. Okay. I think this is really close to the actual answer, but the problem is figuring out what exactly is the issue here. In which case, we always check here, here, here. F1 gets rid of this. At this point, we have C and X. Oof. Oof. I wonder. I am wondering now. If going the opposite direction would lead to a better result. No, no, it wouldn't. No, no, no. I don't know what I'm thinking. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. If we always do an F1, can we always do an F1 after an F2? That's what I'm wondering. So if we do an F1, yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is definitely the most optimal route. So what I'm thinking is I do notice that we always do F1, so F2, and then F1. F2, and then F1. So there's always F1 when it's going around here. That's the thing. I'm thinking this is something else. Because if we do this, it's essentially the same thing. Yeah. This is essentially the same exact thing without using the Boolean. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. Okay. When we're here, if we do F2 one more time. Okay. Let's see, it's always going to fail here. And that's why we have it set to the left, so that when it does fail, it goes here. Okay. Oh, man. Oh. I want to see something. Okay. If we always do F1, we can do something like this, where we set it to either a forward or a right, left. So if we set it this way, then it's always going to turn left until it reaches the last F2. Okay. X and D. If we do F2 one more time, A will... Nope. It'll still be the same thing, which means it'll be infinite loop. So what about doing something here? Okay. If I end it here, forward, left, forward, download, forward. So close. Oh. Man. Well, you know what? I am going to end it here because I'm already coming up on 3.5 hours. Man, this is a really tough one to get in 19. Like, I literally cannot seem to figure this out. Because I think the check. No. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna end it here because it's getting late for me. Holy cow. Alright. I'll have to come back to this one later. Oh, it actually kept it. Oh, I can actually see. Okay. I can actually see what I had in mind. Okay. If I want to switch between true and false, I need to make sure. But the problem is, if I set it to something like this, then it's always going to be true. So maybe if I always set it to true, let's try this. I want to just see. Yeah, this means that it's always going to be true. So, if it keeps going, it's always going to happen, no matter what. So there's no check. Okay. Let's see here. So we definitely want to have a check for sure. One, two. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So we always want to have a check here. Is that right? Hold on. So if we do an F1, we always make sure F2 follows. If we're always doing an F1, we make sure F2 follows. At the end of F2, we make sure if they are not equal, that it turns. If they are equal, no. Okay? Hold on. So, D and A always be unequal by then, always be unequal by then, always be unequal by then. Huh. Let's see here. So what we need to somehow do is say when D and A. Either that, or somehow we're supposed to do this here and then start here. So that when we come here, we're always saying, when equal to each other, then do something. When not equal to each other, then do something else. But the problem is this first one, in which there's always that check. I better not have my phone on vibrate. There we go. Okay, so the first things first is figuring out from where to where and at where should we have the check. I would like to have the check here. Honestly speaking, it's like the best check is here so that we can either have a turn or a straightforward. So here, 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 and here are always where the truths are, where the tests are. But the problem with doing that is that every time it's always going to remain true, no matter what. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. 14. 15. Oh, dang it. 16. 17. 1, 2. 3, 4. Straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. then a fifth one, and straight instead of the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. So let's see if this is true first. Okay. Okay. Yep. Definitely true. Because then it goes straight, and then it's a single other straight, which is finito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21. If I can somehow set a question here and say on 1 it's a turn and on 1 it's straight, then that would get rid of quite a few, and we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. It would be exactly what we need for this. Huh. But the problem is the check. Green is equal to red. Okay. Huh. Wait a second. Wait a second. What if I switch these two? Oh, dang it. That needs to be a straight. Then I need to bring a question mark here and a question mark here? No, between these two. Hello? The problem with this is it doesn't work because we would have to download first. Dang it. Because in order to even do a check, yep, you have to have something in there. Huh. If the first check is on its own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 17, 20. Okay. Red and red, download green. What happens? No. So the check needs to happen here. Wait a second. Wait a second. Dang it, I'm getting back to where I was. So if we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay, I want to just see something. Pause. Okay, at this point, D and A. At that point, hold up. At this point, it is A and A. At that point, it is A and B. So different. At that point, it's B and B. B and C. C and C. Is that it? Hold up, then, if that's it, so you have X and C, and then X and D, D and X. This is where it differs, because normally at this point you have the same in each spot, but this is where it differs, right here. So then, how do I make it different to where it will check after this point? Let's say that we ignore this. We go 1, 2, 3 forward, a right, a forward. No, 1, 2 forward, a right forward, and then a left. Right, forward, left. Forward. Okay. So let's check something. I want to see something. So let's say we do all this download stuff. What is the... After this download, it's a forward and a right, forward, left. Forward, download, check. No, if we were to just do... Let's just do movements. So we have forward, forward, right, forward, left, forward. Then we have a download. So let's say a download, another forward, and then a left. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. There was a forward and a question mark. Trying to compare the red variable when it is not assigned. Make sure to get a variable on the red slot before comparing it. Trying to compare the green variable when it's not assigned. Make sure you get a variable when on the green slot before comparing it. Let's try a download. I'm red. So we upload D to green, and we upload red. Hello? Hello? Hello, possibility. Okay. Okay. So you can upload even if you have the wrong one. Okay. Okay. Let's say D is on green. Right, forward, left, forward. Right, forward, left, forward. Download, forward, right. There's always a forward, download, forward. That is always true. This is always true. Doesn't matter what. It is always true. A download, however, is not always true. It could be a forward right or a forward download, actually. Forward right or forward down upload. Forward right or forward upload. Those are the two comparisons. Man. So you always have a forward, download, forward. Now the question is, how do you get rid of a variable? Is it possible to delete the variable? What does this even do? Okay. Download on green. This seems to be, at least if you try doing it on an upload on, hold on. Let's do that. Okay. It's the last one, which means that something isn't right there. Right, forward. Okay. Right, forward. Right, forward, left, forward, download, forward, right. It does make me question what each of these do. Let's see. This is another case of a loop that you can... Let's see. Of a loop that you can do thanks to the conditions F1 calls. Question mark, and question mark calls back F1 while the condition is true. Ah. Okay. The key is to find where to position yourself before starting the loop. For that, the alphabetical order, the variables can help you. Of the variables can help you. And finally, that letter X allows you to break the loop by checking that it is not equal to D. Okay. So, the question is just positioning yourself in the right frame. Oh. Maybe go forward first and then start? If that's the case, then you would always have a download forward, upload, download forward, upload, right, forward, left, forward, okay, and I'm gonna say check, 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 nope. Nope, 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 nope. Check, check. Yeah, no, it needs to be from here to here. Which means I need to actually move myself way ahead first. Before beginning a loop. Okay, so forward, forward, right, forward, left, then F1. Maybe. Let's see if I can... So when it is a certain one, it's going to keep looping. It's going to check and call F1. Let's see, so if I start here, and I say, or here, maybe. Forward, download, forward. Hold up. The problem with checking this this is ugly. This is ugly. A is equal to A, therefore forward. B is equal to B, C is equal to C, X is not equal to D. Okay. I'm gonna say upload to red. Then I'm gonna say forward, right, forward, upload to green, and then check. If true, call F2. If they are equal, call F2, which will then go forward, upload, right, aha, hold up, I think I see something. Because we can upload without having to worry about there being anything. So, if instead we start with F2, okay? And then we call F1 at the end of F2. So it would be right, forward, left, forward, F1. And then it keeps calling that. Once it hits D, it'll say these two are not equal to each other. Then what? Hold up. Let's check and see if this works first. Hello? What is going on? Huh. Okay. Hold up. Let's go with the green one. So then... forward. Forward? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so something like this. You're trying to get a variable but are not on a download. Yep. Okay. So if I remove that, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. $18, 19. Hold on, where do I end up? Okay, so I end up there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18. F1 calls question mark, and question mark calls F1 back. Okay. When they are not equal to each other, we do something different. So we either cancel or do something else. The question is, where do we end for the check? Let's see, if we want to do X and D, we need to stop Okay, what if we stop here? That means it would be a forward. So if we stop here, that means we start and stop at this point. each time. Which would mean we would have a forward right as one, and a forward as the second option. So let's say we start with a forward right, then, okay. We would say F1, so a forward. Ah, great. Okay, no. I need to start differently. Forward, right, forward, left. Forward. Okay. Three, 4, 5, 6. Let's say we do an F1. If we do an F1 that just repeats itself, it would be something like this. Where it would be forward, download, forward. Right, forward, left, forward. Forward, download, forward. Forward, download, forward. Forward, download, forward. That is always something that is repeating. The difference is whether it's download, right, forward, left. Okay. Download. Okay. If we do something like this, then this is always true and it's always going back to F1. That's not always the case. So if that's not always the case, then sometimes there isn't a question mark here. Okay. Hold on. If we start here with the repeats, then we'll end up here as we properly should. Because we'll have a download forward with the right pattern. So let's say forward, green, forward, right, forward, left. So if we have a green and a red, so this is our initial green. Or actually, let's turn that red and let's turn this green. So this is our initial green. Dun, dun, dun. If they are not equal to each other, we do an F2. Which would be a okay, if they're equal to each other, it would be F2. If they're not equal to each other, we would do the other one, which would be a right or a left. Left, forward, download, forward. Okay. Okay. And if we... So here and then here, they'll be not equal to each other. So that means it goes to F1. So it'll go here, and then they'll be equal to each other, in which case it will do an F2. So it will do a download, right, forward, and I think that's it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, if I play this, what will happen? Nope. Wait, what? Oh. Huh. Well, that's weird. So because we're always doing green, it's never gonna change. Are you kidding me? Forward, download, forward. Wait. If we do something like that, then it ends with a download. Okay. So it calls itself and nope. Okay, I think this is throwing me for a loop because it says this is another case of a loop that you can do thanks to the condition F1 calls question mark, and question mark calls back F1 while the condition is true. While the condition is true. Calls back F1 while the condition is true. If they are equal to each other. Okay. Okay. F1 calls question mark. Man, this is a hard one. So while the condition is true, it just calls F1. If the condition is false, it calls something else. The problem is positioning yourself in a way in which case this works. So if I end here, I will have 2 there. If I start here, I will have 2. But either way I position myself, it'd be 1 less. Yeah, I think it's going to be equal whether I start here or here. So what I need to do, forward, forward, right, forward, left. Okay. Okay, so if I say start here, and I go forward, download, forward, right. Forward, download, forward, question mark. Okay. Let's say it starts with F2. Say it starts here, and it calls F1. 1, 2, 3. Question mark. One, two, three, left, question mark. It says that these two are not equal. I think I need to do a different question mark, maybe? Okay, if I ignore these, then I'm gonna need to figure out these two as red and green. Then I have a forward, green, forward, right. Then I have a forward, red, forward, right. Then I have an upload on red. Okay. Without the left and the right, it would be forward, download, forward, forward, download, forward, right, or forward, download, forward, upload. Can I... There's no way to switch colors, right? Yeah, I don't think there's a way to switch colors. Like, say, on one it runs on red, on another it runs on green. That doesn't seem possible, unfortunately. Download, forward, left, forward, download, forward, upload, right. Okay. Okay. Let's say this is this. Let's say F1. Okay. Then we say these two are equal to each other. Question mark. So let's see. Download, forward, left, forward, download, forward, upload, right. Let's say F2 has the big question mark, possibly. So F2 would be a forward, right, forward, and a question mark. The question mark would be an F2 or an F1 when they are equal to each other. Otherwise, it's probably a forward. I don't think this will work, but... Okay. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this right and put it at the front here and call F2 instead. Wait, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay. So if we take this into account then, it's so close. Let's see if it actually works, though. Oh. Shucklersh. Shucklersh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Wait. Forward, right, forward. Download. Forward, upload, right. Okay, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 8? Hold up. So something must be wrong then. Ah. Yes, that is wrong. Okay. Boom. Okay. Wait. Wait. This actually works? And then I would just need a forward at the end, right? Yeah! I just need a forward at the end. The heck? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Awesome! Okay. Let's watch. Boom. Right. Well, no need to be nervous, Algo Bot, but here we go. It's working! It's really working! Oh, bugger. 19.